Oh, my friends, Brian back here with a look at Beam. All right, we got our breakout yesterday that we were looking for. This thing ran up here and kind of double topped up here. All right, you got your one over here, got your second top over here. All right, a double top, quite honestly, is bearish, but I believe we're going to break through this pretty soon. And we're going to take a look at the chart here. Just a simple pullback here. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up here. And we'll get a look at some price targets and see where this fourth wave could pull back to. All right, I want to come over here. First off, I want to give you guys just a little tip. If you're new to crypto, please don't fall for this stuff here. All right, claiming Beam your path to free crypto rewards. Any airdrop, please just don't even go for it. You're going to get ripped off. You're going to lose your tokens. There's tons of them out here. Every time I search a crypto, there we go, claim airdrop, full step-by-step guide. What you'll do is you'll give them access to your wallet. They'll take everything, and that'll be it. You'll lose everything. So please be aware of that. There's no free airdrops out there. Nobody's going to give you. I love the one that says that Michael Saylor is going to give you 2 times back your Bitcoin. Please, yeah, that stuff is all garbage. It's a scam. It's a shame that there's people out there like that, but there is. So please just be careful. Don't sign up for any airdrops. Nobody's going to give you double your tokens back. It's all a scam. I don't blame people for falling for it. It happens. So please, there's no free airdrops out there. All right, if we come over here to Coin Market Cap, the volume is up 56.84%. That's 76.4 million. Pretty impressive volume. All right, the market cap is up 4.89%, just over $1 billion. And if we come over here to CoinGlass, I want to show you 24-hour liquidations. Not too bad, 102 million, 102.6. Open interest is still at 39.4 billion, and 24-hour volume $94.276 billion, down 3.35%. 24-hour long and shorts. Longs are 50.05%, and shorts are 49.95%. All right. I want to give a big shout out to the members of the channel here. You guys keep this going, and I can't thank you enough. Look at all these guys, 5 months. I mean, that's how long I've been monetized on YouTube. And Andy, Jason, Trapper, Lib, Ryan, Franny, thank you. Noted Trader, you're a good guy, man. Thank you very much. Will, thanks, buddy. Falconeer, Benji, Jay, Ho Stinkin, Will Hammer, Karat, Prepping for Beginners, Eyes Wide Open, FMK, Thomas, Kevin, Sominex, Blue Safari, Christian, Dez, Zozo. I apologize, I cannot pronounce that one. Mike Painter, Will DeFi, Spenzy Productions. I think you're the one that contacted me about thumbnails. I'll be getting a hold of you, buddy. I sent you an email. Wes, Ruben, Rowdy Man, thank you very much, Rowdy Man, a super supporter. Very awesome. Thank you so much. Ferme de la Plague, Cuz for Real, Frankie Parsons, Jumpman Crypto, Rated Rar, Miss Kendall, Jim P, another super supporter. Thank you so much, Jim. Yanni. And if you guys go over to the Crypto Blocks channel on YouTube, just there's a banner on there. Your name will be on there. It's on the home page for Crypto Blocks. And Undead, Love and Z, FLL, Daniel, Azirius, Joliet, Detroit Custom Painter. How you doing, bro? Another super supporter. Keeping an eye on that Bitcoin for you, buddy. Paul, Baja, Jolian, Israel, Enoch, Robert Morse, Atolic, Matt, Rachel, Tom, Bob, Jamie, Stopa, LB Crypto, Dylan, Chris, Let's Get Nine, and Lenny Parnell, a new one. Thank you so very, very much, guys. I think we have 63 members now. You guys are the best. I really appreciate it, man. And if you haven't, guys, please check out the Level 3 membership. It's $14.99. 8 hours of videos. Teach you, give you a jump start on trading. A lot of great stuff in there, all right, for 15 bucks. Plus, you get access to the Discord. And you can jump in there with everybody over there. Here's your crypto bubbles. This is the top 100 for the day. You can see a few green out there, not a lot. Quite a bit of red. We got some fourth wave pullbacks in a lot of these things, and you got some RSIs at the top. That's just the way it goes. Some days they can't all be green. All right. If we come over here to Beam, I do want to show you Bitcoin real quick. I apologize, guys. I'm getting over a major illness here, so getting better every day, but it's definitely been a struggle, that's for sure. So anyway, Bitcoin dominance here. I do want to show you this, all right? This thing has double bottom down here. All right, you can see here, let me get this fib up here. You can see a clear double bottom. That is bullish, okay? Now, whether this thing holds support here is the other, question. If it drops from here, that's fantastic. But let's look at the RSIs and see what's going to happen here, right? If we go on a daily, look at that drop. I mean, that's pretty impressive. That's when the altcoins just rip. When you have Bitcoin dominance dropping, the altcoins are taking off. All right, we got the daily reset here right at the bottom, and it looks like bullish divergence. Yeah, we got this high here, and we have a higher high, and then on the price we have this high here, and we kind of have a lower high. So we got bullish divergence on the Bitcoin dominance. The 12 hours just turning up, and the 4 hours turning up. Looking for a bounce out of this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 5 waves down right there with this thing. Let me grab it here. Whoops. There we go. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you got 5 waves down. That usually signifies a bottom, and looks like a bounce coming from here. I would expect something up to the 618 or 702, and that's going to make a big decision up here if this thing goes higher. Right up here, right up at this 54%. All right, that's going to be a major area for us to keep an eye on. Bitcoin itself, all right, this thing is still just ranging down here. Looking for a bounce back up here. I don't believe it's going to get up to 48 again, but we are looking for a bounce up towards that 618, up here towards that 46,000 range. And then quite honestly, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I totally believe we're in a bull cycle, guys. But I believe Bitcoin is going to have a major pullback here. All right, the reasons for that, if you look at the weekly RSI, all right, coming down. If you look at the monthly, it's just about the turnover here, okay? And we got our daily just turning up. So we should get this bounce out of this anyway. If it breaks, if it would happen to break up here above this 702 at 46.8, then it's bullish. Then the thing is going to go higher. But quite honestly, I just don't know if it's going to be able to do that right now. Later on in the year, I am sure we're in for a lot of fun. It's going to be a good year, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun this year. I can't wait. Bull runs, I have been waiting for this for 3 years now. So let's get a look here. Boy, look at this daily red candle here. This double top here, I kind of had 1, 2, this one here actually was higher, but right there it had some sellers come in. All right, let's look at the RSIs. The daily's still coming up. All right, you got your 12-hour right at the top starting to roll over. All right, that 87.92 and an 87.90. Your 8-hour is rolling over, and your 4 hours rolling over. Now, where could this go? Let's take a look and see. All right, if we go from our swing low to our swing high, it's probably going to pull down towards, 618 or 702. One of these areas down through here, I would imagine. I would definitely keep an eye on these areas. You could get just a wick down here, but I would be looking for a pullback down to this 0.0198 or down towards the 0.0192. All right, and then a bounce from there. It looks like a 5 wave up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we put a trend-based fib on this thing and look for a target, go from our swing low to our swing high to the retracement. That gives us the target up here at 0.0268. And it would end up looking something like this if this works out. Nothing is guaranteed, all right? But this is exactly what it's looking like. A bounce back down and then a 5th wave up. All right, that's what I'm expecting out of this thing. We'll leave this on here, but watch for them areas. I really expect it to pull down here. Let me clean this up a little bit so you can. Let me go over to my other beam chart. All right, let's use this one here. Let's get everything off of it. There we go. And I'll put the fib on here so you know what levels. These are the levels I would be watching for personally. Okay, swing low to the swing high. All right, right down the 618 to the 702. All right, 0.0198 down to the 0.0193. Okay, that's the areas I would be watching. It could come down even to the 786 at 0.0189. I just doubt it's going to come that low. Right in this area, right through here. All right, that's usually where you get your bounce at. It could just wick down there real quick and then fire right back up and out of here. But this is definitely a wave 4 pullback. No big deal, guys. Just a little bit of a pullback, and then we should be ripping up out of here. Now, will that get us a new all-time high? 50, oh boy, look at that. Look how that comes right up towards this other one up here. Almost another... another double top up here. Well, we'll see what happens, but 0.0268 is the target after this pullback. All right, thank you very much, guys. I will talk to you soon. I hope you all have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and thanks a lot.